I'm Anil Kumar, and here is a practice question for you. You need to place the following fractions approximately on a number line. The first one is 2 over 3, 1 over 3, and 5 over 6. These are the three different fractions. The second set of fractions is 3 over 10, 3 over 5, and 2 over 5. You can arrange them on a number line. So I hope you remember the steps which need to be done. First step in such cases will be find the lowest common denominator, write each fraction as equivalent fraction with that lowest common denominator, and then place them on number line. Right? You can pause the video and solve the question. Now let me show you once again how to do it. So first step, so we have three steps basically to be done. First step is find lowest common denominator. Second is equivalent fraction. With lowest common denominator, and third is scale number line to write fractions, right? So these are the three steps involved. So let's do them one by one. Now for 3, 3, and 6, what is the lowest common denominator? So lowest common denominator is 6, right? Since 3 times 2 is 6, you can write all these in terms of 6. So we'll write them with 6 as our lowest common denominator. How do I get 6 on the denominator? For first 2, I need to multiply by 2. 3 times 2 is 6, right? So what we do here, we do 2 times both. Here also we do 2 times, right? 5 over 6 is already in the form of 6 in the denominator. So the first 2 could be written as 2 times 2 is 4. So we have 4 over 6. 2 times 2 is 2 times 1 is 2. 2 over 6 and 5 over 6. So these are the three fractions with common denominator of 6. So we started with unequal denominators. We now make them all same. Now it is easy, right? So now we have equivalent fractions with lowest common denominator. What we need is to place them on a number line. So let me draw a number line here. We'll begin with 0 rather. Okay, and we'll make each small division as 1/6 since we have to place sixth of the fractions, right? So it is 1/6, 2/6, 3/6, 4/6, 5/6, 6/6. That means 6 over 6 means 1 for us, right? Okay, so let's place them now one by one. First one is 4/6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So that becomes 4 over 6. Correct. 2/6. So we can write 2/6 as 1, 2. So that is 2/6. And the third one is 5 over 6. That is 5 over 6. So that is how you can do it very easily, right? Let's follow these steps once again and do the next one. Here, what is the lowest common denominator? The lowest common denominator here is 10, right? So 10 is the lowest common denominator. How do I get 10? So lowest common denominator is 10. To get 10, we need to multiply these two by 2, right? So if you do that, what do you get? You will get, first one is 3 over 10. The second one will be 2 times 3 is 6. 2 times 5, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 2 times 5, 10. So that is equivalent fractions with same denominators. Now in this case, let us again make our number line. But this time, what is going to be my lowest division? 1/10. Got the idea? So this is have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So that is 10 out of 10 or 1, correct? Now we can place these numbers one by one. 3 out of 10. So this is 0, right? 1, 2, 3. So that becomes 3 out of 10. 6 out of 10. This is 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 out of 10. 4 out of 10. So 4 out of 10 will be 1, 2, 3, 4. So that number is 4 out of 10. You get the idea, correct? So you can place all these fractions on the number line, correct? That is how you can do it. Perfect. As a practice question, what you can now do is, now here's a question for you. Arrange above fractions in descending order. Now descending order means from greatest to least, okay? So arrange these fractions in descending order. Once you place them on a number line, it becomes very simple to write them in descending order. So you have to write these fractions separately, both, right, in descending order, right? I hope that helps you to understand how to work with fractions with unequal denominators. Thank you and all the best.